0 degrees longitude. This is where you will find Greenwich, the standard by which time on Earth is measured. Greenwich, England. 12 midnight. Even as this clock strikes 0 to signal the end of another day, Kubota is hard at work supporting the world. As the new day dawns in India and people wake from their slumber, water begins to flow through the water pipes. Just as soon as morning preparations begin in Thailand, tractors take to the fields for another day of agricultural work. In China, pumps supply the city with fresh water from the water purification plant, while combine harvesters begin to harvest farmland. Ductile iron water storage tanks built under Japanese parks are filled with water in preparation for emergencies. It is now high noon in England, and the sun has risen directly above Greenwich. Next door in France, submerged membrane units treat wastewater before sending it back to nature. It's dinner time in Vietnam, and wastewater treatment tanks maintain this hospital's high sanitary level. Over in Germany, where lunchtime is finished, construction machinery goes back to work. In Saudi Arabia, a wide range of plastic products maintains a convenient and rich lifestyle. Morning has just dawned in the USA. A utility vehicle carrying a fisherman is heading out to the lake. Right now, somewhere on Earth, food, water, the environment. Kubota is hard at work supporting the world in areas indispensable to our everyday lives. For Earth, for life. Everywhere and at every moment. Kubota has continued to contribute to everyday life with products in step with the times. In particular, farm machinery has been a fundamental part of agriculture in Japan. And now, amid food shortage issues sparked by rapid global population growth, the world looks to Kubota to lead the way with its extensive technological know-how. Asia continues to display impressive economic growth. Kubota is currently working to introduce farm machinery in Asian nations such as Thailand, China, Vietnam, and India. Along with expanding the market, Kubota is also strengthening its manufacturing system. Overseas manufacturing and distribution bases were first established in Thailand. Active transfer of technology enabled local manufacturing of tractors, combine harvesters, and engines. Here, Kubota is aiming to become one of Asia's largest distribution bases. In China, we've attempted to expand our distribution network and lineup diversity while increasing the number of combine harvesters and rice transplanters manufactured. Kubota is highly appraised for providing the ruggedness needed to handle expansive farmland and combining it with meticulous technical support. Kubota is now a major brand name in North America. We have expanded our market share in non-agricultural fields such as small-scale tractors and small-scale construction machinery. Locally oriented marketing and enhanced R&D are making it possible to swiftly meet customer needs and promote the development of new markets. Construction machinery capable of operating in confined spaces is being utilized throughout Europe, where urban infrastructure is presently being restructured. We have established a construction machinery manufacturing base in Germany, along with distribution bases in France and throughout Europe, to meet market needs with a rich lineup of tractors, ride-on mowers, and construction machinery. The Kubota brand is also globally synonymous with outstanding engines. Our compact industrial diesel engines are praised for their lightweight, exceptional power, and excellent environmental performance. Crossing borders to find a common solution. Kubota's unique approach, developed through agricultural work in Japan, has led to the creation of numerous outstanding products that contribute to our way of life. Everywhere and at every moment. Since manufacturing Japan's first iron pipes for water supply in 1893, Kubota has expanded its range of water-related products for over a century as a comprehensive manufacturer. And now, at a time when global water pollution and water shortages require urgent attention, Kubota is looked to more than ever before to fulfill its role as an unmatched source of know-how in the field of water management. We are contributing to waterworks maintenance in India with the establishment of a manufacturing factory for ductile iron pipe. In Japan, we are striving to develop longer-lasting, next-generation earthquake-resistant pipes. In China, where the water environment is being strengthened, we have established a manufacturing base for pump and submerged membrane units to meet China's ongoing water and sewage maintenance needs. Kubota aims to provide higher quality water handling tailored to each region through partnerships with local businesses. We have a long and successful track record in Asia in the field of water purification. Wastewater treatment technology, such as submerged membrane units, has been adopted in many countries around the world. China and other Asian nations facing severe water environment issues will continue to look to Kubota for viable solutions. The introduction of wastewater treatment tanks is one of our solutions for areas without sewage treatment facilities. We also install and operate a diverse range of plants. From upstream all the way downstream. Kubota's accumulated water circulation know-how enriches our lives while contributing to environmental conservation. Everywhere and at every moment. Kubota is working to achieve sustainable urban development and better living conditions through urban infrastructure maintenance and other activities. Kubota's technological know-how can be found supporting society everywhere, whether it be the structural materials used for buildings, roads, bridges, and subways, or the foundation pilings used in coastal areas. Air conditioning equipment that drastically cuts power consumption provides a breath of fresh air in facilities right around town. Vending machines, given a universal design, enrich our lives wherever they are installed. Plants producing the ethylene used to create plastic products use a cracking coil for thermal decomposition. We have established plants in Japan, China, Canada, and other countries, including Saudi Arabia, in order to meet the rising global demand. Superb casting and thermal treatment technology incorporated into Kubota's steel rolling machinery is highly praised. Our extensive accumulated know-how has given birth to products in many fields, such as the measuring devices essential to quality control and the volumetric supply of raw materials, as well as new materials used for automobile brake pads. Sustainable environmental development. From the buildings that support urban infrastructure to the items we use every day, Kubota contributes to a safe and comfortable society with a wide range of products. To the next stage with an eye on the future. The world is currently facing numerous problems regarding the food, water, and environment we rely on for our survival. These problems do not exist in isolation, but are all intimately connected. Kubota will call on its collective product technology and service know-how in continued global efforts to solve these issues for the benefit of humankind. The mechanization of agriculture has contributed to increased yields, creating a steady, rich supply of food right around the world. Maintenance of the water environment has contributed to stable water supply, giving the world safe drinking water. The latest environmental engineering has contributed to the realization of a recycling-oriented society, conserving the environment while providing comfortable living conditions. Moreover, we are involved in social action work, such as the Kubota E-Project. We promote diversity management, and we are actively assisting reconstruction work after the Great East Japan earthquake. Kubota strives to harmoniously coexist with society in countries and regions around the world. Once again today, the sun will rise somewhere just as it is setting on the other side of the planet. For the happiness of all, for a new tomorrow for our planet. Right now. Food, water, the environment. Supporting our rich lifestyle while we protect our beautiful Mother Earth. For Earth, for life.